He refers to the famous verse of Surah Ar-Rahman, bainahuma barzakhun la yabghiyan. The same sort of verse is found in another surah, surah number 55 might be. So the subject is the same, that there is an obstacle between these two and they are not allowed to meet. So what is this obstacle or barzakh? That's what he wants to know.
Here, a great prophecy of the Holy Quran regarding two oceans is concerned, which at the time of the revelation of the Quran were two completely separate oceans. And Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had no idea of any geography about any oceans and how there is a barzakh between two oceans. So this prophecy got fulfilled twice. Once in the case of Suez Canal, when two oceans were joined together through Suez, and the first time through the Panama Canal, which again joined two oceans on opposite sides, Atlantic with the Pacific. So it's an amazing prophecy of the Holy Quran which got fulfilled, and no sane man can say that Rasulullah had concocted it from himself. Right?